All right, guys, so we just made it to the distilled off of the Wrangell and the 215. So like I mentioned, this event is going to be held from like 5:30 to 8:30 today, and I'm here a little bit early so that way I can help set up. Now you're on camera. Oh, he rocking the Maui sun. I was gonna rock one, but guess what? Mine was tank tops and I didn't want to show the guns.
Oh man, I wish I had the white one, but I lost it.
Oh yeah, I get to drive his new car. Oh, I didn't get to drive, but I get to sit in his car. Oh, you guys don't know, Charles is one of my good buddies here. And he just recently got his real estate license. He's actually on the team now.
I'm happy to be in Chakits' team. I'm gonna learn from the best. I can be the best.
How do you like the car so far, dude?
I love it, man. I mean, sometimes the AC pumps out like a little bit of hot air, but I guess it's just that $140 that it fills the truck, you know?
Yeah. Basically what's happening is people are lining up. We're getting all the stuff into this truck. We're gonna take this truck and we're gonna drop it off at a trailer. I think it's a 20-foot trailer. There's already 2 that has been uploaded and sent on over to FedEx, and also I think sent on over to Delta too as well. We got all the stuff right here and we're just getting started. All right guys, so we just made it here, and as you can see, everybody is donating. Take a look at all this. It's crazy. Oh, look at this walk. Oh, Nicole! Faking the funk.
I got that donation in the car though.
Hell yeah, where is it?
You know I got you.
You are awesome.
Try. Let's roll up.
Glass Vegas.
It's all about that community, yo.
Glass Vegas, cuz.
Yup.
Cuz.
About it.
So the love, show the support.
Cuz.
What up, what up? Is everything going good? Good, good. I have some stuff.
Oh yeah,
just donate. We get up to this truck? Yeah, just pull up to the truck and after we just load into the truck. Bro, okay. What's your name?
I think they were.
How do you not remember me?
How much stuff was in that building?
Jamie's son? You know what's so funny?
Oh, wow, wow, wow.
I forget the name. I'm so sorry.
Wow, wow, no,
Hey, you look different. You look different. No, I'm so bad.
This guy.
Nuts. Look at this community right here, guys. All right, this is our probably 4th, 5th load, but there was like multiple trucks that came by to drop all this stuff off. As you can see, we still gotta unload all this. We have all this right here, and then there's more stuff inside this restaurant over here. It's crazy. These are all boxes. The clothes are right here. The water's here, so you gotta divide everything. It's not easy. All right guys, we are done. It's about 9 o'clock. I just wanted to say thank you for everybody that was coming out here. And a lot of people are like, hey man, you put this thing together. I didn't put this thing together, man. We all came together as a group, but most importantly, the person that I really want to thank for all the hard work and the effort is actually Gabe. Okay, Gabe is the man. He's actually the man. He's the guy that's working hard. We still got a truck full of supplies that I got to get rid of and drop off, and at that point we are going home. So if you guys want to support the channel, show the love, okay, hit that subscribe button. And also another thing, for all the people in Maui, look, the 9th Island loves you guys. We love you. We support you all the way. Okay? I wish you guys nothing but the best and be blessed, folks. Peace. Oh my gosh, you guys are not gonna believe this. So there's an open house just near Summerlin right here. There's like 30 people in this house. I mean, look at all this, all these people, all these cars here just for the open house. Now the market right now, like I said, the inventory is very low. However, there are more buyers than the inventory can supply in the marketplace. It is unbelievable of what is going on right now, guys. I gotta give it kudos to the listing agent, very smart. So they just picked up this listing, okay? What they did was not put it on the market just yet. And so that way they could double in the deal. Now the property's not on the open market, so how do you know if you have the opportunity? This agent is smart and they're doing it right. But I cannot believe how many people is at this open house. I need to make a shift in my business, so I gotta get back to the office. I gotta reallocate my money because I've been working with a lot of buyers because we have so many buyers and we're closing so many deals. But my point is that the market out here shifts like every 60 days. Las Vegas is such a trendy area, and this is what we call a cyclical market. I got this Ferrari right here in the back of me. Ooh, that's hot. That is a flex. Yeah, I'm looking. I'm inspired. Hell yeah, I'm inspired. All right, guys, I got a lot going on today. Showing a bunch of clients, a bunch of homes. So I'm over here in KB's, out here in the southwest of the Las Vegas Valley. We're gonna take a look at this model right here. This is the 2469 model. One of my favorite models. So this is a gated community just right off the 15 over here. And we're gonna go take a look at it. We're gonna see what's going on. All right, so I'm here in the sales office. Look how busy it is right now. It's very busy.
Hard working every day. I'm stressed out 24/7, babe. No timeouts. Wish we could fly away. You and I go to our favorite place. Oh yeah. Make special memories together. I'll be your company now and forever. I say we fly away. You and me go to our favorite place. Feeling the sun on my face in Hawaii. With you, Hawaii. With you, Hawaii. With you, Hawaii. I need a summer breeze, some fresh air to put my mind at ease. No cares. You wanna come with me? Me and you go to our favorite tree. Are you ready now? We jump on a plane now. We're taking away. Yeah, we're taking away. Don't hesitate now. We're taking away. Yeah, we're taking away. We'll never come down. We're going